cloudy in eastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 8:16 p.m., thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Depending on the rain has fallen. Expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Intact flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Weathersville, Spring Ridge, Killington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Milton, and St. Louis. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.